Experiencing data or MMS issues on your iPhone or Android with Optimum Mobile. It likely stems from incorrect APN access point settings. The APN is the gateway connecting your device to Optimum Mobile's network for internet and messaging. The APN is the gateway connecting your device to the mobile network for internet and messaging services. Optimum Mobile uses AT&T's network for its mobile data and messaging. This map shows AT&T's coverage across the US. Without the right APN, you might see no internet errors or MMS messages stuck on sending. For both data and MMS, the primary APN is mobile data. This ensures you can browse the web, use apps, and send picture-video messages. Correct APN settings are crucial for a seamless Optimum Mobile experience. Let's configure your APN settings. On iPhone, go to Settings, Cellular, Cellular Data Options, Cellular Network. Enter mobile data as the APN. Leave username and password blank. For MMS, the MMSC is h2mms.mobile.net, MMS proxy is proxy.mobile.net, MMS max message size is 1048576, and MMS UA prof URL is ashriftapple.com/msuaprofrdf. On Android, find access point names in Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced. Create a new APN profile with mobile data as the APN. The MMS is mf@mobile.net, MMS proxy is proxy.mobile.8.net, and MMS POID. Ensure APN type includes default SUPL MMS. Restart your device after saving. If issues persist, reset network settings or contact Optimum Mobile support.